What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can make $1,000 in passive income every single month. Now guys, this is a similar video to one I've made in the past where I talked about staking cake, but today we're going to be talking about making strong nodes and making insane passive income. Now guys, before we do get started, I want to say I am actually launching my own NFT project and I plan on giving away around 2,000 strong nodes within the first year. Now if you guys want more information on my NFT project, I want you guys to click the first link down below. It is going to be a Twitter to the Strong Dragons NFT. More info to come soon. Right now, this is very early, guys, so make sure you guys click the link down below and follow the Twitter. Now, let's talk about passive income, crypto, Strongblock nodes, and all this stuff. Okay, so Strongblock and I guess Strong Nodes is something that I've been a part of for a couple months now, and it has been a very reliable source of passive income for me. At the moment, I now have 8 nodes, and I am in this very deep. And again, this is something that is very reliable, and we're going to talk about that in a sec. Now, nodes are essential, and obviously everyone knows having passive income is amazing, but with strong nodes, there are so many people that have literally been able to become financially free. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly what this project's about and show you through the math on how you can make $1,000 a month with just one node. Okay, so let's talk about it real quick. This is the Strongblock website, okay? So you can easily create blockchain nodes and you can earn rewards. So a lot of questions I get asked often is, hey Radies, is this staking or is this mining? And the answer is no, it is neither staking or mining, okay? It is creating a node, and Strongblock offers a node as a service. So you are pretty much buying a node that they are gonna operate, they are gonna maintain, and they are pretty much gonna do all the work. All you have to do is purchase the node and pay a monthly fee, which is 15 bucks, okay? Literally pennies. So let's get deeper into this project. Okay, so I have made videos talking about, Strong before, but I'm not going to cover the I'm not going to cover everything in absolute detail, but there's a bunch of stuff on here on the website that you guys can go and look out for. But a few highlights here, guys. They are partnered with Phantom, Polygon, and Sentinel as well. You can see they are a fully doxed team. You can see this is the god himself, David Moss. You guys can go check him out on Twitter as well. You can see their news, and they have a bunch of things on here. Now, let's talk about the actual Strong node. So if you click create a node now, you get taken to the Strongblock app. Okay, so this is where you guys can create your Strong nodes. But before we get into that, one Strong node costs about 10 Strong tokens. So if you go into CoinMarketCap, we can see Strong right here. It is currently at $523 for one token. So you are going to need 10 of these to make one node. Okay, so if you see over here, we can see 10, boom. That is going to cost you roughly 5,000 US dollars. Now again, guys, I know this sounds expensive to some people, but remember, if this feels like it's out of reach for you, I can say, guys, if you save, if you stick to a budget, you can one day get to this. Second thing I want to say is you guys need to make sure you guys are following my NFT project, because we are literally going to be giving away 2,000 nodes in the first year, and I'm sure you guys are going to want to get involved. Now, when it comes to this is a sunken cost, okay? So the $5,200, remember, once you buy a node, that money is gone, but you now have your node that is making money for you every single day. Now, one strong node makes 0.1 strong tokens every single day. Now, it is a tiny bit less than that because of how Ethereum works and just the blocks and stuff like that, some blockchain stuff, okay? But just to keep things easy, it makes 0.1 strong every single day, right? So at current prices, if we do 0.1 on this, right, on the CoinMarketCap calculator, we can see 0.1 is $52. So every single day with this project, you are going to be making $52, right? So let's go to the handy dandy calculator, right? So let's just say it's $50 times 30 because it's 30 days in a month. That is $1,500. Now, the reason I'm saying $1,000 is because, guys, this is on the Ethereum blockchain, okay? There's going to be gas fees when you make a node, when you claim your profits, when you swap to whatever you want to swap it to. So remember, there are going to be some, I guess, costs, but gas fees is literally just the cost of doing business, right? Like, it's just something that you kind of have to live with. And I don't think people should really be complaining, but you should be more so grateful that, hey, when you are using up gas fees, down the line, we're making Ethereum more deflationary, which means our prices of Ethereum will eventually go up in the long term. So when you look at it from that perspective, it kind of like makes it okay, I guess. Trust me, guys, I've spent thousands of dollars on gas fees, especially when you have more nodes. When you have more than 5 nodes, the gas fees start to get a little crazy. And I can say I've probably spent, Jesus, I don't even want to know. I want to say I'm close to about 5 figures in gas fees just spent. So not fun at all. But again, this is how you guys are able to make $1,000 every single month, right? And this is US dollars as well. For my fellow Canadians, because I'm Canadian, I'm from Toronto, this is even better, right? Because the conversion is just much better. So let me show you guys this right here is their frequently asked questions, guys. So you guys can go through here and do all the research you guys want to do when it comes to the claiming, the fees, the nodes, right? We can see nodes over here. There's a whole like section on all this stuff. So you guys can go through and there's literally everything you can think of. You guys can go through and research and figure that out. So this is the my nodes section. So obviously I don't have my wallet connected, but you guys can connect your wallet and you guys can buy your node here. So you guys can click create node. I've only created Ethereum nodes, but they're all also Polygon nodes and Sentinel nodes. But again, you can see nodes receive node universal basic income, so NUBI, on a per Ethereum block basis. So you guys can see right here, guys, a bunch of information right here, but you need 10 strong nodes. You can name your node, make a description, and then boom, you can connect your wallet and make a node. So guys, if you do want to make your node, you're going to need either MetaMask or Trust Wallet. I strongly recommend you guys do your own research on that. For most of my subscribers, you guys probably already know what MetaMask and Trust Wallet is because of the whole Binance Smart Chain shitcoin season. But again, it's the same process, right? You guys swap with Uniswap, or if you want to use KuCoin, you can use KuCoin, get your 10 strong tokens, then go onto the Strongblock website and make your node, and then from then you're printing attendees. Okay, so let's talk about how I guess consistent this is, right? So this is the 1 year chart, right? So actually, we're not gonna do 1 year. We're gonna do, because this doesn't really pick up till like summertime. So we're going to do this because I think this is a good average. So since August, right, if you got in anytime around August, it's safe to say you've been making at least $40 every single day, right? Now, this did have a crazy peak over here in November where Strong actually hit 1.1K, which is insane because you would have made $110 every single day from one Strong node, which is more than some people make at their full-time job. Okay, absolutely insane. Now, another thing to notice, guys, is we are on a bit of a downtrend, but we are recovering, and then boom, another dip right here. Obviously, we did see crypto, and I guess just Bitcoin, everything just kind of sell off recently. Regardless, needless to say, this is pretty stable, right? Because again, the lowest point right here is $404, in which case you would have made $40 that day. Again, that's assuming you're selling Strong and you're taking out profits every single day, which I do not think anyone is doing, and I don't think that would even be like feasible because of the gas fees you're going to pay. Now again, guys, this is just another way for you guys to have passive income. Like I said, I am pretty balls deep into this. I have 8 nodes, and just for a measure, just to show you guys how much that equates to, 0.8 strong tokens is $418 every single day. And again, let's do the math on that. So for 418 times 30, right? So for 30 days, and that comes up to $12,000. Okay, so again, pretty cool. And obviously, when this does go up in price, I'll be seeing much more gains than that, right? So if you take a look at the past month, we can see this is actually a low. I would say the average is probably like around here, like 580, maybe even like maybe even the 600 range, right? So again, it is volatile, but it is a steady source of passive income for those that want to dabble in a strong node. So guys, let me know what you guys think about this passive income method. If you guys want to see more Strongblock videos, let me know in the comments down below. More videos like this where we do out scenarios, that'd be great. Now, like I said, guys, I want to tell you guys one very important thing. Guys, like I said, my whole goal with this NFT project that I'm making is to give out 2,000 strong nodes to you, my followers, my supporters, and people who are supporting the project. So guys, go and check that out. The Twitter is going to be linked down below. Other than that, guys, leave a like in the video, drop a comment, all that good stuff. And until next time, remember, stay seeking success.